Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. The process is straightforward and effortless. Here are two ways to download WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. The first way is if you are using Windows 10 on your PC, you don't have to go anywhere because Windows 10 has its own Microsoft Store where the WhatsApp application is available and you can download it for free. How are you going to download it from the Microsoft Store? Open the Microsoft Store from the taskbar. After it opens, you don't have to sign into your account in the Microsoft Store to download any application because you can download it without signing into your account. As you can see on the right, I did not sign into my account, and it's still asking me to sign into your account, so there is no need to sign in the search bar. Write WhatsApp and search for it. Here is the official WhatsApp application. Tap on it. Because I already installed the WhatsApp application, so that's where there are two options, Open and Update. But you will see the option Get if you did not install it. You have to tap on it and avoid signing in, and the WhatsApp application will start downloading. Let's move to our second way if you do not have Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. Then, open your Chrome browser and, in the search bar, write WhatsApp for your PC and search for it. On the first number, you will see the official WhatsApp website, and here you can read WhatsApp for Mac and tap on it. On the top right, you can see the option to download. Tap on it, then it will start downloading, and now it's downloaded. So I am opening it, and here, double tap on it and install it on your PC, because I already installed the WhatsApp application on my PC, so I will not install it again. So, it was the primary way to download WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.